This virus isn't just a problem in one part of our state. Right now, rural Michigan is getting hit the hardest, and it is spreading rapidly.
Yet another record-setting day for new daily cases in our state. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services reporting nearly 7,000 new cases, bringing Michigan's total to more than 260,000 cases. There were 45 more deaths reported today. Now, almost 8,000 Michiganders have died since the pandemic began. Well, Governor Whitmer addressing Michiganders during a press briefing today, saying we are in the worst part of the pandemic.
She stressed it will get worse before it gets better, especially if people don't change their behaviors. Up North Live's Brittany Beauty listened in on the press conference. She joins us live now in the newsroom. Brittany.
Mark and Amanda, while the governor did not implement any new restrictions today, she did have some strong suggestions on how we can start flattening the curve like we did in the spring.
Sadly, COVID-19 is not done with us. And unless we get our act together right now, we could be hitting our daily peak of deaths in Michigan come Christmas.
As the governor focused on the rising number of cases and deaths in our state, she pointed out our hospitals and those working on the front lines.
Our hospitals are nearing capacity, and they are burning through PPE, the masks and gloves that we've been working to stockpile. They are burning through it because they are overwhelmed.
20% of ICU beds across the state are filled with COVID-19 patients, and that number is rapidly increasing.
This past Friday, Michigan topped 200,000 cases of coronavirus, while the country is averaging 1,000 deaths per day.
I just want that to sink in for a second. Try to imagine 10 737 airplanes crashing to the ground every single day. That's what we're facing. A 9/11 every 3 days.
While she did not implement any new orders or restrictions, the governor emphasized staying home, wearing a mask, and canceling any holiday plans with people other than in your household.
I know this will be hard, but we cannot afford for people to head to a family member, friend, or loved one's house for Thanksgiving, contract the virus, and bring it back to their communities and their homes.
If you are smart now, you may be able to have a nice holiday with your loved ones alive at this time next year.
Right now, the state of Michigan is under a mask mandate and is not allowed to have indoor gatherings of more than 10 people. The governor says they are watching the numbers closely and will make any changes if this continues. Reporting live in the newsroom, Brittany Beauty, Up North Live News.
Well, hospitals across the state are sounding the alarm. They say